Okay, so it's the 9th of September and we're just having a look at the apple trees, and the crab apples, it's got a fair few on it. The frost did take off a lot of flowers, but it still has got quite a few on it. The cooking ones, Lord Derby, has got a nice amount. It's been really wet August, and we've got quite a lot of rotting ones. There's not many on the Brambley, but there are a few. And then the Camelot is absolutely loaded and has pulled the branches down. We've put a prop in to hold it up. They're not massive, but there's quite a lot there, and that's what we've picked up off the floor from the Camelot and the Derby. And then the eating apples, well, they've not been a great success, so for 3 of them anyway. I don't think there's a single apple on that tree. There's possibly 2 or 3 half decent apples there. And this tree, which we sort of thought we were going to give up on because it was diseased, has got a few apples, and we just tasted one that had dropped off, and it's not quite ready, but it's really sweet. So can't remember what variety this one was, but there are a few apples on it and they taste nice. And then this one seems to have got, oh, it had a nice amount on it, and I think they're ready. We're going to pick them, I think, in a minute, because flies are attacking them, and I set a fly trap here to catch flies, and I've poured it out a few times, and we have caught a lot, but they've really ripped into them. But the apples that are left, and probably there was at least double that a month ago, looking good. I don't think there's any apples on this middle tree at all. And then this tree is loaded, and the flies don't seem to be attacking this one in the same way. There are a few gone off on it, but yeah, it's looking good. I don't think they're quite ready yet. I'll have to keep an eye on those, but I think we're going to pick the red ones now. It's been a drizzly old day, but the bees are active now. It's dried off a bit. So we'll collect these now and see what they're like.